Hey YouTube, this is a tutorial on how to get your your Windows system to look like a PC, which, as you can see, is very very PC-like, Mac-like, excuse me, but, you know, the icons look Windows, and they are, and, let's see, I'm going to switch user, Windows Vista Home Premium, and there's the Mac login screen, and good luck trying to hack my account. Anyway, how to do this. Alright, go to Google, and I gotta set the camera back for a second, and get my keyboard, my stuff upstairs. Alright, download, and go to Google, and type in download Mac onto Windows. And if you don't feel like doing this, I'll put a link up, and right here. Hopefully this video doesn't run too long. Alright. How to turn a Windows PC into a Mac. Alright. First, what you're gonna have to do, let's go to step 1. Alright, there's a thing called Object Dock, which is this. And once you install it, this will pop up, and you can change the settings, you can add stuff to it. It's really cool. And all you gotta do, like, let's say my Spybot Search and Destroy, all you gotta do is drag it down to here, and voila, it's there. And it's still on my desktop, and to get rid of it, it just goes, and it disappears. Alright. Now, my battery's running low, but let's see if I can squeeze this in real fast. Go to Windows Blind. That's how, and then it'll say like a 1 right here. That's where you download the skin for Mac. The cursor. This is how I get that cursor right there. Look like Mac, and then you download where it says 2, and it'll automatically turn your cursor. And Log On Studio. That is when I go to switch user, and Windows Vista Home Premium, it looks like that, you know, the login screen. Alright, and yep, that's pretty much it. I'll make a more detailed tutorial when I get my camera all charged up and stuff, since it takes batteries. It's kinda gay. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll definitely make a more detailed tutorial another time, but that's the basics, and I will link that in the description. Alright, thanks, subscribe, comment, whatever. Later.